Hi guys, my name is Celebrity Judy. I am with
LAMBAR, aka Ambassador Nipot Water, aka The Marketer, aka Bonyosaya.
who is your favorite comedian?
When it comes to comedy, it's Imodia and GM and Renjota. They're my favorite comedian.
Who is your favorite musician?
My favorite musician is Jirik Iyokate, Ogbe Master. That's my favorite musician.
Why do you like shooting with bottle?
Okay, like what inspired me using bottle? Well, as of last year or last 2 years, no, it might be last year or last 2 years. There's one video I watched of Imodia. He was holding bottled water and he was making skits with rap kid. They were dancing to one rap kid music. So I was like, because Imodia is my mentor, I was like, okay, let me try this pattern. Let me go with this pattern. I like Imodia, but I was like, okay, let me go with this pattern. That's how I started using bottled water to make my skits.
Okay, that is nice.
Thank you.
Nice meeting you.
No problem. And that's you.